from the paddy fields. Guess where we are? You would have known from the thumbnail already. We're in Goa to celebrate my birthday. It's my birthday weekend trip, and we've booked this car for all 4 days, 5 days, I think, yeah, 5 days. And this is our first day. I'm ready. It's a cutesy dress that I got, beachy sandals, a bunch of hand stack here. I got this from Savannah. I got this from some online shop. And this is how I've done my nails. Nice, right? I'm going to take you along on this birthday trip of mine, and I'll show you all the places that we go to swim, where we're staying. So this is currently like a Airbnb. I booked it for these views. So our room is on the first floor, and it has this stunning view right from the bed. So couldn't ask for more. I'll link the link of the Airbnb in the description in case any of you want to book. It's pretty affordable, and it's in Shiolim, North Goa. See you. Wow, it's a sea view. See, I don't know if this is a sea or a backwater, bigger backwater. So our food has finally come here. We're at Gunpowder. Fun fact, we came here 4 years back, I think, me and Jigar, and we loved this restaurant so much. And after that, we've come to Goa quite a lot, but we haven't come here. So it's like nostalgia, you know. And so, okay, I'll take you through what we ordered. This is the prawns curry with coconut milk and some tamarind flavor. So we're very excited to have this. Then this is the famous gunpowder of Gunpowder Restaurant. This is with ghee, and this we can have with our egg appam, which is here. So if you see, the egg is runny and gooey. So we're big egg fans, so we're really excited. And this is the most amazing drink of Goa, soul curry. For Maharashtrians will know because ये घर में तो बनते रहता है, but non-Maharashtrians के लिए it's something really like you should have this. You're missing out on life if you haven't had this.
After having this delicious meal, we thought thoda walk ho jaye to hazam all that food. There was so much greenery around Gunpowder. I mean, बहुत चलने ही बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. And then we just started walking through the road. We saw some really cute shops. And that's the best thing about Goa, right? You're not bound by time. You don't have to be anywhere at any point. So you just see something and you get inside and start exploring. So these were some really cute furniture shops. There was a lot of home decor around it, some really cool paintings. Look what I saw, this horse themed kitchen items. I think these are, yeah, there was this really cool shop.
Hello, we are kayaking. You are enjoying Victory kayaking. If you ever want to come here, so that Kabodarama kayaking is very narrow and very like short. ज़्यादा space ही नहीं है वहाँ पे. But look at this, like it's infinite. You can go as far as you want. Same on this side as well. And we've taken a guided kayaking, so like he's there with us, but not with us. You know what I mean? Like he's giving us our space too. And this is 700 per person for approximately 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on how much ever you want to do. We're loving it. It was raining a little, so I got scared, like with the boat becoming all wobbly and too many waves, and just not my thing. But then now the rains have stopped, and this is actually the best time to do this activity is from December to April. So do come here, Victory Kayaking, that's the name. You can Google and call the uncle.
दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन.
After some kayaking, हमने देखा एक बहुत ही unique tree which was very special to this region. So we thought वहाँ तक तो kayak करके जाना ही पड़ेगा. So here we were.
रंग बिरंगे
So it's my birthday today. Story time. So a very funny thing happened. Yesterday night we were all prepped and set. हम रात को बॉयलर मेकर जाएंगे. There's this new bar that's won like the Asia's Best Bar Award, and we had just eaten at La Cucina, right? So our tummies were full. We were in like a good food coma, and we went to our room and we were like, "Thoda sote hai. Let's take like a 1 hour nap, and then we'll get up at like 10 and then go out at 10:30 and bring in my birthday at 12." Guess who slept the whole night? Me and him. Me and Jagar both slept, and well, what to do? I guess this is what 30 feels like. But I woke up on a very, very fresh note. I haven't felt fresher in such a long time because we slept for like 14 hours straight. So your girl is happy, and this is my outfit. So we are here today at Bakery by Balance. That's the name. Let's go inside and find out what they serve. Oh, so it's this really like it's nestled in the greens. You can see it's got such a beautiful paddy view.
So this place was not hyped up like all the other places that has come on Goa Foodie. I found this on Google Maps and I was like, chalo try karte hai. The view looks good from the photos on Google Maps, and bro, the view was insane. Rich paddy fields, the beverages, the snacks that we had, बहुत ही tasty था. And fun fact, there was this Mumbai couple who shifted to Goa and started this cafe. That's quite cool. Maybe I'll do this someday too.
Omelette pesto. Sugar's ham with some sausages, salad, and with the view. Ooh, beautiful.
चीटी आगे कह रहे अभी से.
So I got these really cute little things. I'll show you. I'll keep. So there's this the owner of the cafe are people from Bombay, and while the guy runs the cafe, the girl does all of these cute crochet things that you see around, and yeah, everything is very cute. And I got these 4 wooden flowers because I want flowers on my birthday, and I mean these won't die, so I'll just like plant it in each of our planters back home. Really cute. And this is like earring set that I got. Nice. Happy girl.
We always wanted to visit Taj Holiday Village. And what special occasion than my birthday? So, this was our room. The pathway led to the beach, literally. And on the way was our pretty little room.
So we've checked in at our room in the Taj Village Resort in Candolim. This is the beach and this is our room, right? Like very, very close by. I can't say right next to the beach, but yeah, so it's time for a room tour.
So all Taj gives some kind of mala. The Taj Lands End usually gives a tulsi mala. Because this is Goa, they've given like a shell mala. Very cute. It's my outfit. And this is the bathroom. All again forest essential goodies. So that's cool. We honestly thought यहाँ पे tub होगा, but there's no tub. This is our room. This is like the mini bar, coffee bar area. We've got some stuff, so I've kept it here. Look at this cutest thing. Written happy birthday for me. Yep. This is where we've stored our luggage. This is some view. Babe is chilling here. Fresh flowers in the house. Wow. And yeah, this is our patio. Yeah, this is the view. This is like our private sit out. We can lounge here. That's the sea. And this is some wedding tha yahan pe. They were saying some sangeet or something, but now they'll dismantle this. The most satisfying thing to do. Room chappals. So we are walking to the spa now, जो बाजू के property में है. So we're just getting a buggy to go there. These are like sit-out beds. So nice. I'm feeling like I'm a part of White Lotus. Like a luxury resort, all things good. That's the steam room. This is what this looks like. So relaxed. I can be here all day. The breeze is breezing. This is a view. We're taking a buggy tour of our hello. So we've come to this place called the Second House. Got all ready. This is my shiny, shimmery birthday dress, and we've called for this very interesting cocktail. Our waiter said this is the best that they have, so birthday cocktail. So us being the salmon addicts, salmon fans that we are, this is a salmon toast that the For main course, we called for some house grilled chicken that came with an amazing jasmine fried rice. This restaurant was a 10 on 10. Good morning, guys! I just wanted to show you our room situation. So, this is the Seaview cottage that they've upgraded us to, and the sea is right here. Like, wow, it's currently 9 a.m. I was just lounging here for the last 1 hour looking at the coconut trees. The wind is good. The sun is not as strong yet, so this is a good time to just be here and look at the sea. And ये आज dismantle हो जाएगा hopefully. So it'll be like a panoramic, longer, wider sea view. And we have this golf course here, which is smaller as compared to your other like Lalit Goa ka golf course. And there are all these other cottages around. Yeah. So my husband fell sick एक दिन पहले because of the kayaking, I think. So he had some fever. Medicines deke he was sleeping in the room. While I decided, I mean, what should I do? Rather just explore the property on my own. So here I am, started my stroll on the sunny day. I checked out the beach a little. I kept walking. The weather was good. The fort that you see here is Fort Aguada, and by the way, there's another Taj right on the fort. Then I came back to the room after having a good stroll. तब तक weather थोड़ा बदल सा गया था. It had become too windy, and by the time it was lunchtime, Jigar woke up. I checked on him. We had our lunch together. And then he went to rest again. I continued with my day with my favorite activity, which is, of course, painting. So I sat there for hours. I kept on painting. वैसे कुछ एकदम पिकासो लेवल की पेंटिंग तो नहीं बनाई मैंने, but you will see soon what I made. Basically, I painted what I was seeing, the exact same scenery on a paper. After that, we went to the other pool that the property had. Yes, this property had two massive big pools. One was for adults, one was for kids. We enjoyed our time there. We thought sunset would be much prettier, but thoda ज़्यादा ही cloudy था. This is garlic poi and mushroom mardol. Specialty bread poi. I hope you liked this short vacation of mine. Do let me know what you feel in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe.